where he's soldered. Right here, he soldered this to this part. He soldered the socket to this part. So I'm going to have to break this part off because it's got like a rivet in it right there. So these are the connectors that I put on. This is them here. There's a male and a female. I didn't have the right tools to crimp it, but my neighbor lent me these and it worked. So we're checking it out. Can you see that light blinking? I did that. I hooked that up all by myself. Little help with a few phone calls. Steve Turtle helped, and my sister-in-law helped with my questions. But I'm pretty proud of myself. I did that. See you next time.